Hey everybody, I'm back. Now we're doing step number 2. So we already put it together over there. And I made the lines here. So you're going to stitch from here to here, across here, here to here. Then I'm going to go through here, cut it, and iron it open for the front facing in the neck. So let's just go ahead and put all the sewing machine all close and everything. And then let's start it here. The ball's down there, but no needle, so that means I'll be needle searching. Okay, here we go. Then back stitch right here after you've gone about 6 times. Then front stitch, and then follow the line straight down, because this is going to be your front of the dress. Just take your time, I always do, just in case the thread breaks or something. Okay, I'm about to get down to the bottom, so when I do, just lift up your presser foot, turn your fabric. Then just go across maybe about 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave it down. Turn your fabric again. And then you're gonna follow the other line that I made over here. See how I made one here? Then there should be one right here. Right there. Okay, that's me. Stopping. Making sure I'm going on the line. I think I rubbed it off a little bit with my hand, but it's okay. Still, we want to bring it up some more. All the way to the top of the dress. Then when I get almost here, I'm just going to back stitch. Turn it back out. Bring my needle up. Go ahead and lift up my presser foot. Rip my thread. And then get a good pair of scissors. And then right here, right down the middle, you'll see like I put a middle on it. So you just want to cut right down the middle like this. Into there. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the iron. And then, hold on. I'm just going to iron it open like this. Iron everything open. I'm going to unpin this here. And then I'm just going to bring it through so that this part here that I pinned is, so I'm going to bring it through like this. See the clean? So it's going to go through like this. And what I'm going to, all I need to do, I'm going to go iron it right here. Iron it open, and then bring this through like this. And then you'll have the front of your dress, the opening. And I'm going to pin it here, iron it, and then I will be back after I iron it. And then you guys cut your threads. Right here, just cut your threads. And then I have a total trash box over here. It's amazing. You just go like, whoop, everything goes in trash. So that you kind of see what you're doing. Okay, so after I iron it, let me show you guys again. See, so I'm just gonna bring everything back through the dress. Everything is gonna go back through here. And then I'm gonna sew it that way. And then I'll let you guys see in a minute. After I iron it, bring it back through. And then we gotta sew it. See, there goes the line right there. See, I was off just a little bit, but it's okay. You know what I'm saying? Doesn't have to be perfect. It's not gonna be perfect at all whatsoever. Okay, and so then also, when I iron it and pull it back through, I'm gonna stay stitch it right here at the top once I pull it back through. See, this is the inside. So once you pull everything, it's gonna be ironed. I'm gonna iron it open, and then once you pull everything back through, see how it goes back through so nice and neat. Once you pull everything back through here, you're gonna stay stitch it like right up here, like that. Then you're just gonna go to this side, pull everything back through, and then stay stitch it on the top. So I'll be back after I iron it really well. I'm gonna go over there and iron it. And then when I come back, we'll be doing number 3. And then I will stay stitch it so you guys can see it. Okay, so I hope everybody's enjoying my little videos. I'm trying to go slow because I'm a beginner. And I know when you begin, you want everybody to go really, really slow. So again, I'm using the Brother Sewing Machine from Amazon. You guys, I'm gonna drop some links below, and then you can go ahead and click on the links to the things that I have bought off of Amazon in this affiliate program, and I'll get a little bit of change from you guys ordering. So I'm gonna put the material, I'm gonna put the facing, the thread that I use, everything down in the links below. And then don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Toodles!